Today we are going to solve the easy question from the LeetCode, and here's to sum. This is a function already given by LeetCode. Now let's solve this. Now we need to use for loop 2 times I equals to 0 I is less than nums dot length I plus plus. Okay, here you see nums is an array. Okay, now let j equals to I plus 1, j is less than nums dot length j plus plus. Okay, now we need to use condition. If nums I plus nums j equals to target, if yes, it returns ij. Okay, here now console.log to sum. Here is 2, 7, 11 and 15, and target is 9. Let's check this. Node to sum.js. Okay, 0, 1. Here is our output 0, 1. And what if we use this? Okay, let's try this. 1, 2, 7 plus 4. 1, my god, 7 plus 2 equals to 9. Okay, take care.